The 2022 Nissan Rogue is an example of a product whose value can completely blow you away, but whose reliability has never impressed us. With MSRP starting at $28,000, it is incredibly affordable for a sizable portion of the population. The Nissan Rogue has not always had an easy ride. Although it has received positive reviews, the current generation has only been available for purchase since 2021, and it already has got some issues. Let's take a closer look at them. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Engine malfunction warning. A few owners reported that the power is decreased and that the SUV begins to display an engine malfunction warning. The vehicle's performance suffers greatly as a result. Even though the problem was taken to the dealership, it was never resolved. Transmission stuck. The car reportedly gets stuck in first gear while being driven. The owner must manually switch the car back into drive mode before it can resume normal operation. This is a frequent problem that many owners have brought up. Car pulls to the side. Despite routine wheel alignments, 2 owners have reported that the car pulls to the side of the road. Additionally, the rear cross-traffic alert feature is ineffective, and the tires appear to be broken as well. Disabled instrument panel. One owner reported an electrical issue that rendered the instrument panel inoperable, prevented the doors and tailgate from opening, prevented the front and rear view cameras from showing data, and other issues. There appears to be a serious electrical problem here, but no fix has been found. Errors in design. The pump did not begin filling even after the person added gas and locked it onto the gas door because of a design flaw. The gas leaked outside, which necessitates action because it could easily result in a fire hazard. Lane departure does not function. The lane departure feature in the car is not working as intended, according to one owner. The intelligent lane intervention, as Nissan calls it, occasionally behaves irrationally and steers in the direction of peril. The car's driver narrowly avoided a serious collision. Windshield explosions. According to one owner, the rear windshield spontaneously exploded outward. This seems to be the most prevalent problem with this car, as numerous owners have voiced the same complaint. Owners continue to wait at the dealership while waiting for the manufacturer to resolve the problem. Sunroof shattering. Another owner has reported that a similar incident occurred with the sunroof on their vehicle. The car was parked inside, under a shade, and the sunroof shattered, spilling glass inside. Air conditioner issues. One owner has expressed dissatisfaction over one vent blowing hot air while the others are blowing cold air when the air conditioner is on. Cheap transmission selector. The transmission drive selector, according to another owner, is cheap and easily breaks off. This prevented the car from being put back into drive. Water leaks from the A-pillar. The A-pillar of the car is leaking water from both sides. The same problem has been reported by numerous owners. Recalls. The manufacturer has attempted to fix some of the malfunctions by issuing a sufficient number of recalls for the 2021 model. However, a lot of the car's more serious issues are still unresolved, and owners must continue to wait and hope that the maker will develop fixes. It is concerning that this car still has so many problems despite being updated for the 2021 model year. The 2022 Nissan Rogue is currently the subject of 5 active recalls. 2 of them deal with the rear-view camera, 2 with the fuel tank, and the final one is about the seatbelt not retracting properly. Should you buy it? The thoroughly updated 2021 Nissan Rogue is carried over into the 2022 model year. It excels in a number of areas, such as offering excellent value for the money and being more opulent than its rivals. However, dependability has never been one of its strong points, and it does not appear that it ever will be. The Nissan Rogue does not appear to be particularly appealing in a class where there are many excellent vehicles and those with a greater reputation for dependability. So, we wouldn't advise you to buy this car.